going to go ahead and buy in. We're going to go with this one at 88 cents. See if we'll get filled. One at 88. And no confirmation just yet. I'm entering before confirmation. Make that very clear. We'll see a little push up here. I'm sure we'll get filled. It's a good chance we'll see a little push up. Even the tiniest green candle will probably get me in. And I'm sure I'm going to get the best price. But again, I'm going to hold this for, on average, probably 3 days. I'm going to tell the Discord in a very thorough way. I do my live swing callouts on Discord. Right here, we had, this would have been a great, I mean, Apple went exactly as planned, but it didn't, it was 50 cents away from my entry and I didn't take it. But you can see this is what my callouts look like. New analysis, Tesla put, and that one there. And those, you'll see exactly where I buy and where I sell. And then you can see right here, last night, we uploaded the pending trade NVDA puts, and I showed my entire plan right here. And we're gonna, give a detailed description there. So I don't know how I haven't got filled yet. Oh, I am filled. I'm in. Okay, interesting. Boom. There it is. New analysis. NVDA puts. This is an active trade in Austin's active positions. I give my Y here. Give the average day I'm expecting this. It's bearish, NVIDIA puts. And the high risk from this volatility spike here is just not worth it in my eyes. So I went ahead and took a 32% gain on it. Now again, the portfolio is at 118. I'm up 32%. Overall, it was a nice profit, and I went and told the Discord, you can see right here as well, right here where I announced at 321, I am selling my NVIDIA position for a small 37% profit. I know I say small, it's not a small, it's huge. And then in my premium swings where I announced it earlier today, this is where I announced the expected trade time, my analysis, my breakdown on it, my entry price when it comes to the share price and the contract price, the exact contracts that I'm in. You can see there, and then you can see here, sold my NVIDIA puts. I entered at 88 cents, I sold at $1.21 for 37.5% profit. It's like Grix here, made a nice 32% profit as well. Again, I'm very thankful, very grateful. If you would like to, for the price of a cup of coffee, you could join my Discord. It's not large at all. There's not very many people in there, but I do show my swings where I buy, the exact contracts I buy, and when I sell. And I announce it to everybody the reason behind what I do and why I do it. And I hope you guys have a blessed day. If you have any questions, please comment them down below. I'm going to make a few videos on some requests I have over breaking down a few ticker symbols. If you want me to break down a ticker symbol and explain the process behind what I do, let me know, and I might make an in-depth video over that.